It's in the air and it's been dropped. It's Captain Nizakat, was it dropping ahead of him? But Aqib Ilyas gets another opportunity. It's 9 and 6. These catches need to be taken. These half chances.
Certainly a catch. Certainly something that Nizakat should have wanted to hold on to it. Bit late in getting ahead. Could this be the match for Hong Kong China? Would this be the catch which could mean difference between Hong Kong China and Oman? 6 ball, 9 runs. Super over?
Nizakat could not really pouch that, but he did well to stop it. But in the process, Aqib retained strike as well with that single, and he's up against Ashish Ayush Shukla. 9 from 6. That's a cabinet meeting in the middle there. Captains, senior players, Babar Hayat, Yasim Murtaza, Shukla. What's the kind of field they need to set?
They've put the faith. They've put the faith in Ayush Shukla. Can he stand up for Hong Kong China?
Hong Kong China had an option to decide between Atiqul Rahman Iqbal and Ashish Shukla. They've gone with Shukla. Both these bowlers have an over left. Now we take a look at the field. There's a deep mid wicket, deep square leg, long gone, long off, cover sweeper. There's a gully, backward point, covers is open. There's an unconventional extra cover over there on the edge of the 30-yard circle and a short fine. He's picked that up, and that's aerial, and that's gone into the ropes for a 6. Aqib Ilyas 2.0 on display. Oman inching closer, and all of a sudden the winds have changed.
Aqib Ilyas, you beauty, what have you done here? He's been patient all afternoon. He's kept Oman in the hunt. Wickets fell around him and he held his nerve. And just when it mattered the most, he's departed. He's dispatched Ayush Shukla for a maximum here. What an incredible strike. What a timely strike from Aqib Ilyas.
Brilliant how deep he went into the crease, and he just got his bat underneath that. It was a very unconventional hit, and that's why the smiles in the dugout. For a moment it looked like it got the height and not the distance. But Aqib Ilyas is special talent. Here we go, 3 and 5. Oh, he does it in fine style, and looks like this will be the winning moment for Oman. They qualify for the finals of the ACC Men's T20 Premier Cup 2024. It's an Aqib Ilyas special. Khalid Khail has played good foil. Oman dugout stands up to celebrate. It's been a good fight by Hong Kong China, but the home side, and Aqib Ilyas, you beauty, once again proves to be the match winner and the decisive factor.
Yes, they were only to chase 131, but they did lose wickets, early wickets for Oman, and they were in a lot of pressure. Aqib Ilyas, the man who was known for playing dashing knocks, generally used to depart to the dugout very early. Today, holding his nerve, keeping his patience, he just kept Oman in the race, and towards the end, he flourished, and he flourished in style. Hong Kong China will believe that they have been struck, and they have been struck by a lightning called Aqib Ilyas. What a brilliant performance from the bat of Aqib Ilyas. Yes, he got wickets to start off. A deft touch just past the wicketkeeper, and that will close the proceedings for Oman. That all-important finale position, and in the process qualifying for the emerging cup as well. Oman will smile after a very tense afternoon here.